In this video, you can learn how to successfully build your business so that you achieve your financial and personal freedom, which you, as everybody else on this planet, deserves. The three biggest problems people are facing when trying to start a business is: first, to find the right idea; second, to create a product that is attractive to people; and thirdly, to scale their business. I understand how you feel because I have seen lots of startups, SMEs and even big companies struggle to succeed within the last 30 years. And I help them to overcome failure in finding new ideas and to sell successfully their products to customers. But before earning money, you have to learn. This is very important to understand in order to be successful and have a secure and independent life as an entrepreneur. It took me a while, lots of money and energy to understand and to learn the 10 most important business principles for success and how I should apply them in my own business and the companies worldwide I have consulted and managed as well. With the following my 10 principles for business success, my clients and I achieved exceptional profit growth and were all able to become the go-to authority in our markets. Customers, employees and funding partners were all extremely happy with the experience of my and the other companies I worked for. Therefore, you have to learn to apply these 10 simple principles of business success so you can build and grow your business as well, and you can achieve your financial and personal independence. I tell you now what to do next. Just click the link in the video and download my free ebook. In this book I give you the proven and tested shortcut so you can avoid mistakes millions of other entrepreneurs did and to start off soundly with your business or to get your business back on the success track. On to your success, Michael Thiemann.